So most people solve this question like 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. Divide 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So now 12 divided 5 is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one subtraction, one division, and one addition. Okay, so according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is division. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, is equal to 21 minus, now 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Now here is one subtraction and here is one addition. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. Okay, so 21 minus 3 is equal to 18 plus 2. Now 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. Okay, so the correct answer is 20.